Katie Price has been accused of a Photoshop fail after posting a picture with a curiously long arm. The 43-year-old shared a snap of herself promoting a huge giveaway, but her followers weren't looking at the prizes. 4. Katie Price's fans questioned why her arm appeared so long. Instagram/@KatiaPrice. 4. The star was accused of editing her images too much over the weekend. Instagram/KatiaPrice. Instead they rushed to question her apparently elongated arm, with one person asking, "Is her arm super long or is it my eyes?" Smiley face. Another wrote, "Photoshopped to an inch of its life." While someone else wondered, who photoshops an arm? Smiley face, so weird. It comes just days after fans branded her a catfish as she appeared to look completely different on Instagram to pictures of her on the beach in Thailand. Katie later hit back at the trolls who accused her of editing her images too much. She told them, "People forget I'm an old-school model who made a very successful career being a real model. No filter and airbrushing like the girls these days." M43, had 5 kids and still think I look fit with or without filters. Anybody who is pictured on a beach oiled up and caught off guard is different to be posed. Katie, who has just split from fiancé Carl Woods, first went under the knife in 1998, boosting her breasts to a 32C. Ever since she's spent a lot of time on the operating table, from facelifts, bum lift, fillers and Botox. She recently showed off the results of her latest boob job after a round of work in December last year. The star had liposuction, had fat removed from her bum, and had a breast lift at the B clinic in Brussels. She kicked off this year by having another brow lift and liposuction on her chin in Belgium. The star has insisted she's not addicted to going under the knife, despite comments from some of her fans, saying she just wants to look her best. The star explained, "It's like a car, you have a mow. If you get a scratch or a dent, you fix it, and that's how I feel with my body. I'm not trying to look younger and I definitely don't want that alien look, when people go over the top and look like freaks." 4. Katie has hit back at her critics saying she looks fit either way. 4. Katie showed off her latest surgery on holiday in Thailand.